Hey Tuck followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Casper Wave Hybrid mattress. Casper took their luxury model, the Wave, and put a pocketed coil support core in it. Is it better or worse? Stay tuned to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, average weight sleeper Charles, and heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the Casper Wave Hybrid, move the box to its final destination and grab a friend as it's a bit bulky for one person to do alone. Once the Casper is out of the plastic wrap, give it about 48 to 72 hours to fully expand. The Casper Wave Hybrid is a 13-inch mattress. The cover is made from wool. The comfort layers consist of 1 inch of polyfoam, over 1.5 inches of blended latex, over 1.5 inches of memory foam, over 1.5 inches of gel-infused transitional high-resiliency polyfoam. The support core consists of 6 inches of pocketed coils surrounded by a high-density foam encasement, sitting on top of 1 inch of high-density base foam. The Casper Wave Hybrid comes in at about a 5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium soft mattress. We found the Casper Wave Hybrid to be a little softer and more conforming than your average hybrid mattress. It's also a bit less responsive than other hybrids. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. All 3 sleepers received adequate support, but the mattress did a bit better job of supporting Elizabeth, our lighter weight sleeper. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a glass of water on one side of the mattress and have Mary move around the opposite side of the bed. Given that the Wave Hybrid is a bit softer and less responsive than other hybrid mattresses, we found that motion isolation was a key strength of the bed. Taking a look at edge support, the Casper Wave Hybrid is better than the original Wave, which is an all-foam mattress, but doesn't hold up quite as well as we would have expected. You can see that all 3 of our sleepers sank significantly when sitting on the edge of the Casper Wave Hybrid, and they felt a bit more stable when sleeping close to the edge of the bed, but still not quite what we would expect from a hybrid. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure the Casper Wave Hybrid relieves. As you can see, our light and average weight sleepers received significant pressure relief from the Wave Hybrid, and our heavyweight sleeper a little bit less so. Taking a look at temperature neutrality, we found that the construction of the Wave Hybrid allows for excellent breathability and some moisture wicking that comes with the wool in the cover. This means the bed should sleep cool throughout the night. Now, let's check in with our sleepers. Charles, what did you think of the Casper Wave Hybrid?
I like it a lot. It's like sleeping on a cloud.
Surprisingly, I really liked it. It was firm enough for me, but had that nice little soft touch. Since this is a hybrid, I wasn't quite sure if I would like all the foam, but it was pretty comfortable.
Now, you've been sleeping on the original Casper Wave mattress for a while now. How does this compare?
I think it's a great improvement. It's definitely softer, but I feel like I'm not compromising that comfortability with the coils added of the hybrid.
Did it heat up at all throughout the night, or did it stay fairly temperature neutral?
I got a little bit warm, but overall it was pretty good.
It stayed really cool. I did not feel uncomfortable or hot once.
What's your favorite thing about the bed?
I like that it has just enough sink, but I can still move around to get comfortable too.
Honestly, side, back, stomach, all were comfortable for me. You don't sink in too much, but you also don't feel like you're sitting right on top. It's like, it's perfect to snuggle up into.
All right, well, thank you so much.
No problem.
Now, let's take a look at how the Casper Wave Hybrid stacked up in our mattress tests. The mattress has a hybrid feel, but a bit softer and less responsive, and hence very conforming compared to other hybrids on the market. Support was very good for our lightweight sleeper and good for our average and heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good, and edge support was fair. Pressure relief was excellent for our lightweight sleeper, very good for our average weight sleeper, and good for our heavyweight sleeper. Lastly, temperature neutrality was very good. Here are a few takeaways from our mattress testing. The Casper Wave Hybrid is Casper's most expensive mattress, so it comes with a big price tag. If you're on a budget, we'd suggest you look elsewhere. This mattress comes in one firmness option, and it's a little bit softer than your average hybrid. So if you want a more firmer option, this might not be the best choice for you. Given the firmness and feel of this mattress, heavier weight sleepers might need a little bit more support than it offers. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Couples will enjoy the Casper Wave Hybrid, especially because of the motion isolation and the edge support that it offers. Back and side sleepers will appreciate the firmness and feel of this mattress. Light and average weight sleepers should find the firmness and support that they need with this mattress. That doesn't exclude heavier weight sleepers, as Mary really liked the bed during our testing. Here's some additional info you'll want to know before deciding to purchase the Wave Hybrid mattress. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck readers, check the description below the video or visit tuck.com. That's it for our Casper Wave Hybrid mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful, and visit tuck.com for the full written review. Sleep well.